Did you click this video because you want to know if your area is seeing a boom amidst this crazy and wild market? Well, in this video today, I'm going to highlight the hot pockets in Toronto where activity is booming. Let's go. So in Toronto and other parts of Canada, we're seeing some hot pockets where demand is simply there. With the growth and price point in detached neighborhoods especially, we're seeing some action. And after a prolonged period of uncertainty, yes, folks, I'm seeing areas where prices are going up, properties are selling quicker. And again, I'll cover that in this video, let you know what areas those are. Because hey, for you investors out there, this is really good news. And for those that live in these communities, hey, you're ever looking to sell and move to a different area, this could be your opportune time. And for those that know me and those that are new here, my name is Charles Rocco and I am a real estate broker right here in Toronto and the GTA, one of the world's hottest markets in real estate. I've helped countless families and countless investors and people just like you watching obtain home ownership or just success in investing and so forth. If you want to book a free consultation, my info's in the description below. All right, so I'm going to read code for code. The 2025 Hot Pocket Communities Report analyzed sales from 83 communities in the Greater Toronto Area, the Greater Vancouver Area, and BC's Fraser Valley between January 1st and June 30th. The 416 area code in Toronto led in rebounding momentum, with just over 34% of neighborhoods seeing stable or growing activity in the detached home segment. All right, guys, so here are some of the pockets. I'll read them word for word. One pocket in West End Toronto, which encompasses Rockcliffe, Smith, Keelsdale, Eglinton West, Caledonia, Fairbank, Corso Italia, Davenport, and Weston Pelham Park, saw a 6.2% increase in the median price compared to last year, which was $1,102,000 versus $1,038,000. Another pocket, surprisingly, and this has made headlines, is the laundry market. Properties in the Brattleboro, Sunnybrook, York Mills, and St. Andrew Winfields neighborhoods saw an 11.5% increase in median prices to more than $4.6 million. Who are these people buying these properties? Wait for the next video because I have that answer. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell because guess what? I will have a video on this in the next week or so. So stay tuned for that. So if you want to get nosy and you want to know the gossip, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because I will be posting a video on that in the next week or two. All right, so back to the data here. There were more modest price gains in a handful of East Toronto neighborhoods, including the South Riverdale, Greenwood, Coxwell, Blake Jones, and North Riverdale corridors, where the median price is up 1.7% compared to this time in 2024. The latest data from the Toronto Region Real Estate Board released earlier this month suggested that the average selling price across the GTA actually fell 5.4% in June compared with a year earlier to around the $1.1 million mark. So another thing that I read in this article is that there are low supply of detached homes in certain pockets, which make it more attractive for buyers. So that's why we're seeing kind of an uptick in those areas. And the key neighborhoods in Toronto that led the way for percentage increases in sales included Yonge Street, St. Clair, Casa Loma, Wychwood, and the Annex, which were up 31.1%. And in the eastern part of the city, 5 markets saw sales rise or hold steady, including the Beaches, Woodbine Corridor, East End Danforth, which were up 27%. And in the West End, 3 markets saw sales on par or ahead of year-ago levels, including South Parkdale, Roncesvalles, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Roncesvalles, and High Park, Swansea. And again, referencing this article here, in the GTA, the report notes homes priced between $850,000 and $1.2 million in key microcosms are moving quickly. And overall, the housing sales in the GTA have declined year over year, but demand for detached houses continue to bolster the market. And approximately half of the total sales are in this segment. And who are we going to blame for this? Well, You're never going to guess it. We're going to blame the first-time home buyers. They're the ones that are forking out the dollars for these detached properties. According to this published article, the buyer mindset right now is there's only two options: deal or no deal. Buyers are prepared to walk if the seller is being unreasonable. And of course, that's the norm these days. While pent-up demand appears to be contained now, 1 or 2 interest rate cuts could work to really stimulate the activity. So to round off this video, I want to leave you guys off with one note. As rebounding home sales gain momentum, the alignment will inevitably shift. Do you agree with this article? I mean, these are stats. You can find them online. Some of it is opinionated as to the forecast. What do you all think? Do you feel that we'll get back to a crazy and wild market come 2026 or even come fall 2025 of this year? Would love to hear your opinion. Please post them in the comments below. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please share this with your friends and family. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.